Mirror now has accessed another video from 2nd of November which show what happened in the lawyer and Delhi police clash at Delhi's Tis Hazari court. The video shows the moments which led up to the clash in the court premises. So this is very important footage that we are playing out for you on your screens right now. This is of the incident that happened on the 2nd of November outside the Tis Hazari court in Delhi. In this video, you can see a group of lawyers parking a jeep right next to a truck which transports under trials to the courts. A verbal argument broke out between the sentries and the lawyers since the jeep was parked at the wrong spot. Following this, a crowd gathered in the area and a full-blown fight broke out. So those are the pictures then, viewers, for you to see exactly how things panned out. Alok can help us understand a little bit more about the exact state of affairs. Yes, Alok, over to you. If you can talk us through these pictures and help our viewers understand what we are showing them right now.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, this incident happened Saturday when there were lawyers who came inside the court premises. There you can see there are two visuals. In fact, we got, and in the first visual there is a vehicle that is a jeep. That is Thar jeep that is parked at one corner of the parking, and that parking is just in fact allocated for the parking of the under trials trucks. So usually that happens. So that is why the police personnel who were there, they objected so that they could so that the lawyers could not park their vehicle. On that, their verbal argument started. And in the visual, you can see that there are some manhandling also happens. And later after that, the police personnel who pulled one of the lawyers inside the lockup. Now the second video what shows that the lawyer who was pulled inside the lockup, he was having some sort of argument with the police personnel who were present inside the police lockup. However, they did not, manhandled him. However, there was argument. But later after that, they allowed him to go outside. But there were verbal arguments from inside to the outside people. Inside the outside lawyers are standing. Inside police personnel are standing. So verbal argument continued there. But then later after that, that verbal argument turned into violent clashes, and that is what happened yesterday. In fact, on Saturday, when 21 vehicles were torched. 21 vehicles were damaged, 2 vehicles were torched. However, the 20 police personnel were injured. 8 lawyers were also injured. Of them, one also received bullet injuries because the police had to open fire in the air. So that is all had happened. Today, if we talk about that, lawyers are doing protests again. The working all works in the courts. All the six courts are shut today.
Right.
Lawyers are still demanding that why the police personnel are not yet arrested. Thank you.
All right. Thanks for that quick update, Alok, and for giving us an understanding of these pictures.